Hi everyone, I'm Saiza Ragunhan and welcome to another episode of Babae Sino Ka? The podcast. If this is your first time here, this episode is about the women in the dance community. Of course, we're gonna learn about their stories, their struggles, and of course what they do in our community. And it goes way beyond dance. And for today's episode, we're gonna feature one of the faces of the battle scene in here in the Philippines. Isa siya sa mga talagang sorry, pero siya yung kumukuha ng championship sa lahat dito sa Pilipinas. It's like, girl, everywhere she steps, she just snatches. And like, kabahan na talaga kayo kapag siya yung kabata nyo talaga. Okay? Not just locally, but internationally as well. She's making her name, representing her style, which is whacking. And of course, she is the mother of the International House of Whacking Philippines, the one and only KC.
Hello! Ano
Yes!
ba? Nakaka-blush yung yung introduction.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Diba? Very si Casey very like parang very warm, very chill, very nice. Pero on the dance floor, girl, she's gonna eat you alive.
Alter ego po natin yung dance floor.
Yes. Diba? Sorry kayo dyan. Pero syempre, gusto nating malaman, paano ba siya napunta sa whacking? Is whacking your first style in dance?
Thank you so much for that wonderful question. Paano ba? The very first style in dance that I started with is dance sports.
Mhm.
So, yan yung mga for 8 years kong nilearn talaga. Then afterwards, I ventured into street dance.
Mhm.
I was into like choreography, yung mga teams. That's the
Okay.
usual kasi sa Cebu yun yung laging nakikita. Tapos, I tried krump. Kasi I want to try freestyle.
Okay.
Tapos yun lang yung very active na freestyle community sa Cebu. So, I tried it out. I enjoyed it. And then, after nun, paano ba? Nag-transfer ako sa Manila for work.
Mhm.
And then, we had like, there are lots of workshops ni Kay Christian, everyone,
Mhm.
sa whacking community. Tapos, I tried joining it. And it felt so natural for me. So,
Mhm.
parang na-in-love din ako sa music at the same
Mhm.
time sa galaw, sa dance and
Mhm.
everything. So, I tried it out and hindi na ako tumigil.
Na-in-love ka na dun sa expression of whacking.
Kasi performance and everything talaga
Yeah.
siya. And that's how I was raised. Parang,
You
So,
mentioned you were in dance sport for like 8 years. Like, that's a long time.
Yes
like,
po.
And then, moving to street dance,
Mm-mm.
like, what is, for sure, ang laking adjustment kasi dance sport is a very disciplined style.
yeah.
Like, and even how you, like, carry yourself, iba siya.
Yes.
So, what made that transition na parang, wait, I kind of want to venture into street dance? What was like the turning point?
Grabe yung mga questions. Lawag dito. I guess sa dance sports kasi, there are a set of techniques. There is always a routine. We have a routine, and we do that, parang nilalatag lang namin just sa music. So, what we can do other than the routine is just like play with the audience and stuff. So, yun ata yung hinahanap ko that time. Me and my partner that time, we were looking for like some other stuff to do, like something different sa body. Kasi
Yeah.
feeling namin, na-lock na kami sa ganung feeling. Parang, dance sports is a really good dance.
Yeah.
But then, we're looking for the freedom na kami mismo yun ang magka-create.
Yeah, I see.
So yeah, that was what I was looking for. That's why I started to venture to street dance. And it looked so cool. Na parang, kaya nilang gumalaw ng bigger movements na hindi siya... Kasi sa dance sports, lagi siyang strict na the technique is dapat ganito, plakado pa and everything else. Tas, yun, sa street dance, parang they don't care about anything. Parang it's really an expression of your own art. So, yun din yung nangililin forward sa akin to like try street dance.
I love it. Kasi
Ayun
diba,
pose.
like, movement is very malawak. And finding ways to move your body differently is something na parang every artist looks for to evolve.
Yes.
And to find a different way of expressing themselves. And I feel like you venturing into that into whacking, finding
Mm-mm.
yourself, seeing yourself is a huge transition nga.
Yes,
Especially, you came
exactly.
from Cebu pa, a different city, tas Metro Manila, diba?
Nakakatakot,
So,
ate.
like, yeah, that's ibang klaseng courage to take that
Mhm.
huge step to transfer into a different city. Lalo na kung doon ka na talaga lumaki.
Oo.
So, ano yung pinaka-adjustment mo, like, initially? How was it?
The language, first off.
Oh!
Kasi, hindi kami masyadong magaling mag-Tagalog.
Oo nga.
Kaya,
Mas ma-English kayo, no?
mas na English kami, ate.
So, let's do this.
Oh my God.
English tayo.
Tawag dito sa yung mga people, parang binabash, pero binabully ako for like talking not.
Talaga ba?
Oo, parang sobrang soft kasi ng Tagalog versus Bisaya.
Yeah,
so,
yeah.
basta that's always the thing eh. Yun naman talaga yung
Yun yung initial, okay.
So, doon nahirapan ako mag-express ng sarili ko. That's iba din yung humor, iba yung ways
iba yung,
natin.
yeah.
Oo. So, yun yung adjustment in terms of the culture. Next is like, where do I go? Parang, sino yung friends ko? Pero like, medyo sanay kasi ako na ako mag-isa, like, nag-explore ng stuff. So, what I did before is like, I look for classes, ganyan. Pumupunta ako ng QC just to like attend classes, ganyan. Kahit saan. Yan, tapos, buti na lang extrovert ako. Kasi, I gained friends.
Yeah.
Yan. Ano pa ba? Feeling ko yun generally yung malaking adjustment for me. Medyo sanay lang talaga ako na like very independent even before like when I was in Cebu. Kaya yung like the distance with my family is manageable in a way. At umuwi naman ako from time to time. But yeah, that's the biggest adjustment for me.
At least chill. Buti na extrovert. And like you really, at the time when you moved, you really are looking for something na parang you would gravitate to.
Oo.
And it's nice hearing na parang through whacking, you found it.
Yes.
Do you remember the first class that you had with Christian? What made you like say na parang, I feel myself. I feel like whacking is my eksena.
Ano yung pinakauna? Pinakauna kong class with Kuya Christian, I guess yun yung sa Alabang. Tapos, bida-bida na kasi siya as a person talaga.
Yeah.
So, parang natutuwa ako na, I wanna be like that. I wanna be that
loud kasi
super
Christian
loud.
Talaga eh. Yeah.
Super. So, parang sobrang siya, unapologetic na ganito ako eh. So, you have to accept me.
Yeah.
Parang ganyan. So, that's something na I really want to achieve also for myself. Kasi medyo ako eh. Parang, I want people to appreciate who I am. Ganyan. So, parang ganyan. Lagi ako nangihingi ng approval, whatever. So, that's something na I want to get. Also, yung very classy, very graceful ng whacking. Ang hirap din ng arms niya. Like, usually, yung tiniteach ni Kuya Christian, coordination. So, parang, competitive ako. Kaya ko yan. Ganyan. So, the challenge as well. Tapos, the music, grabe. Di ko alam kung anong meron dun. It's the layers and like the trumpets and everything else. Basta, ang ganda niya pakinggan. Feeling ko, dun ako mas na-draw. Kaya, hindi na ako nahiwalay dun sa style. It's the music talaga.
I love it.
Again, bida-bida ate.
Oo. Sa bida-bida. Buti na lang si Christian, bida-bida rin talaga.
Oo.
No? And tsaka kasi, his personality, sobrang yun nga, like you mentioned, very unapologetic. And having that kind of confidence, hirap siya i-achieve. Diba? Lalo na kapag ka parang, girl, standing in a crowd. Tapos usually, pag whacking, diba, it's like, it's solo performance. Like, you have to like
yourself talaga.
Exactly, present yourself, extend your arms, and everything.
And one thing din siguro ate na kaya ako nag-stay with whacking is that nagagawa ko yung sa dance sports ko. Kasi we do performances.
Yeah.
Tapos, laging sinasabi ng coaches namin na, you have to make sure that the audience loves your performance. Like, you're doing the dance for them. Parang ganun kasi. Parang you have to like, let them feel like, yun, part din sila ng sayaw. So, yun siguro yung hindi nawala sa akin na, ayun, natuwa ako sa whacking na kaya ko din pala siyang gawin na ganun.
Yeah, I love it. Like, finding yourself in the old discipline that you've been doing and, like, fusing it with the style that you fell in love with. Diba?
Yes.
Staying true to who you are pa rin. As you, na, kasi part yun ng personality mo, dance sport. And, like, nilalagyan mo lang siya ng different expression, adding the whack. Charot. I love it. And yun nga, like I mentioned earlier, you've been battling ever since ever since na nagbabattle ka, like parang you've been putting yourself out there na parang kahit saang battle, like just go, go, go.
Mm-mm.
And parang nakaka-inspire yon kasi girl, ako, I'm not the type of person who battles. Minsan lang ako bumate. Like, very like, once lang in my career. I mean, kasi 'di ba iba yung way of dance artists to like grow and expand and how to discover their movement more. It's either in performances and battles and wherever they find the challenge. And I see you in the arena.
Oo nga eh.
And that
Di natigil.
in that bilog. And girl, every time the music is just on point.
Oh, really?
Question lang, girl. How do you prepare yourself before you battle or during a battle? Or like, meron ka bang mantra? Or like, is there anything that you do? How do you prepare?
Paano
yung mga
ba?
secret mo? Pwedeng onti lang.
Paano ba?
Like-
Ay, ito naman din yung lagi kong sinishare na, kasi ito din yung na-learn ko talaga sa dance sports na you have to train for it before the competition. Like, you don't train kasi may competition. Kasi you continuously do the training. And then, during the competition, you just trust your training. So, kung hindi ka nag-training, wala kang matatrust dyan. Magpa-flop ka talaga.
Yeah.
So, that's one thing. And feeling ko din po, ang polite ko. Tawag dyan. Feeling ko din, tawag dyan, during the battle, that's something na I observed always na parang every time I feel so, tawag dito, pressured and everything, nag-iisip ako ng todo, mas pangit yung performance ko. So, breathing exercise is key to success. Yun.
So, parang
chill.
internalize and breathe and just let go. Let flow.
Oo.
Let
And
the music move you, ganon.
True. And kung ano yung strength ko, yun yung nilalabas ko.
Yeah.
Hindi ko kinakopy. Kasi yung ginagawa ko before. Mali
Ah,
pala
talaga?
yun.
Nagkaroon ng time na ganon?
Oo.
Ah.
Parang tawag dito si Zyro yung kalaban ko noon.
Okay.
Tapos hindi ko talaga makalimutan yun kasi na-pressure ako. Kasi parang tinatry ko i-copy ata yung ginagawa niya. Pero hindi ko siya kaya kasi.
Okay.
So, yun yung mali. So, parang, or like, nagpa-intimidate din ako dun sa pagbubuli niya. Kasi sobrang bully niya na, battler. So, yun. Yun yung tinatry ko din siyang i-adjust. Pero yun din ate, I battle always because I want to, tawag dito, gusto ko na at least ma-adjust ko yung mind ko. Like, despite of chaos, I'm at peace still. I can still think. I can still be creative. Kasi yun yung napansin ko, that very moment na nakabattle ko sa Zyro, sabi ko, ay, parang ayoko na next battle, matataranta na naman ako. Gusto kong bumattle lagi. Tapos one thing that I learned from Crump is, my Crump!
I love it!
Yun! Effective yung Crump ko last time. Tawag dyan. Kasi there are 3 ways of doing training. Kasi may lab ka, may sessions ka, and may battles. So, all those are like your training area. So, what you do sa lab, dapat i-apply mo sa sessions. What you do sa sessions, you apply it sa battles.
Yeah.
So, yun siguro yung lagi kong tinitraining. Kasi different mindset eh. So, kaya na, yun siya. Kaya ako laging bumabattle. Kasi gusto ko ding, ma-practice yung mind ko. Ayoko ma-stress.
Yeah. Ay, parang dun mo na-find yung peace mo.
Yes.
Dun ka na center sa battles. And it shows to your, performance na parang, girl.
Ang saya din kasi.
Yeah.
At least, hindi ako masyadong mabait dun.
Oh. So, talaga.
Kaya ko maging ibang tao. Oo.
Yeah. Pero I love what you said earlier, no? Na parang, it's not about preparing for the battle, but it's the constant training that you do every day. Tapos kapag may nalatag na dyan, whatever it is that you have, yun yung ilalabas mo.
Yes.
Which is kasi minsan, di ba, parang merong tendency na parang, okay, I'm gonna prepare for this. Which is like, maganda yun. Kasi it's like, just constantly training. Everything that you do every day adds to the skill that you're doing.
Yes,
And
exactly.
Yun yung, I feel like, should be done. Kasi parang muscle memory mo na siya. Yung lalabas when you're battling.
Exercise na din natin yun.
Sa
diba?
true.
Mobility.
Yes, I love. Kaya naman pala, girl. So, sorry na lang kayo. Kasi ilang years na yung 8 years sa dance sport. Tapos, may cramp pa ng ilang years.
Saglit lang yun. Kaya
Tapos,
yun. My God.
diba? I love. Pero,
Oh,
syempre,
gosh.
diba, outside dance, Casey, you have a different life. Oh, a different life. Like, apart from dance, you also have a different version of yourself.
Yeah.
Yung parang ikaw yung parang mas maybe that is your technical side
Mhm.
and dance is your creative side.
Yeah.
And ano nga yun? Sorry, hindi ko kasi alam. So
Paano ba?
Ano tawag doon?
Regional Business Process Lead ng
Ayan.
APAC po.
Ayan.
Yes po, opo.
Diba? Parang, alam mo,
Familiar.
the fact that you can balance
Mhm.
that life and like seeing how you are excelling in dance, mahirap yon guys.
Yes,
Kasi
yes.
like, parang, it's like, I don't know, ilang hours, like you're focused in this work and then you have to find time. Oh no, sorry. Don't find time. Make time. You have
Yes.
to make time for the discipline of dance for you to be excellent on both. And I'm sure, like, girl, seeing you, it's hard.
Yes, it's super hard.
It's hard to do it. Pero like, how do you do it? Paano ba siya? Like right now ba, hybrid yung work? Or is it like...
Right now, for a year, kaka-promote ka na kasi nung sa regional lead ko.
Congrats. O,
Thank you
diba?
so much!
I mean, even sa work, she's
Mm-mm.
excelling. Like, sorry
Bida-bida
kayo
po
dyan.
talaga. Oo. I was trained by my mom to be, you
Yes,
know,
fighter.
be a fighter. Pero yeah, paano ba? Ever since bata pa ako, since nag-dance sports training, parang binabalanse ko talaga yung both school and dance. So parang nasanay yung mind ko na ganun. So every time na I feel like I'm not doing anything, na nagpapanik ako, which is dapat kailangan ko din naman magpahinga. Pero yun,
Yeah.
nagpapanik ako na may parang konting nakaupo lang ako or nanonood ng something. So yun siya. It's not healthy. So you have to rest, guys. You have to rest.
Find
At
the
least-
right balance.
Yes,
Yeah.
find the right balance. So, yun po ata. And then, I made sure na in both areas, in both, like, worlds, I have a set of goals. And then, meron akong action plan to
I love
achieve
it,
that
yeah.
goal. And then plan it out. Very systematic. Pero yeah, that's how my mind usually works. That's why, yun, natutuwa din ako sa job ko. Kasi, parang very creative siya in a systematic way. It's more assistance, more on like processes and everything. Talking with people, so yung extrovert side ko nagagamit ko din. So, ayun, it's the right balance. Every time I'm burned out ako sa work, nilalabas ko sa dance. And then, sa dance naman, sa work. So, I enjoy both worlds a lot. And like, the people around me sa work, they are very supportive. Shout out sa inyo lahat. So good. Yan.
pero yun yung maganda rin kasi you like doing both areas. Kasi yun yung important. Kasi di ba minsan we have a tendency na parang, shucks, I need to be able to like support my passion. Tapos you have to like earn. But it's not about that. It's about finding your strengths, working with it, and enjoying while you're doing it. Para, girl, the balance is easy. The multitasking is not a problem.
Yes, exactly.
Diba?
Kaya parang ilang years ako nun na sa work ate ha. Like, I sacrificed dance for like 3 to 4 years because I focused on work a lot. Because I have to build myself na parang ganito ako. Parang I have to build my knowledge and everything. Para din naman, if ever na darating na ako sa posisyon na yun, di nila ako maka-question. And like, I have less thinking because parang din siyang sa sayaw na parang nagtitrain ako lagi. Kasi tapos, every time I do my battles, naka-muscle memory na siya. So, I don't think so much. So, same as with work. That's how I integrate both.
I love the discipline, sis.
So
Ibang
ganun.
level. Nakakatuwa. It's hard. It's hard doing that.
Hard, ate.
It's hard balancing both lives, both worlds.
Mm.
Pero, like, if you really want something, you will really make up for it.
Yes.
Kumbaga parang, and I like what you said earlier, yung parang, you have an action plan. Diba? For you to make the dream work, you have to like plan it. Pero that works for you. Kasi
Yes,
syempre,
that works for me.
iba-iba siya.
It's different,
Iba-iba siya sa mga tao. Like, minsan flow.
Yes.
It works for other people.
Yeah.
Pero like, minsan kailangan natin na parang, check.
Sobrang detailed.
Which is,
and
like,
stuff.
I feel like you have to find what works for you to be able to
Yes.
execute it
Exactly.
accordingly.
Kasi iba-iba yung wiring ng minds natin. Hindi ko talaga na-appreciate ko siya more from dance.
Mm.
Kasi sa dance, like, example, may mga musical inclined talaga na natural lang,
Yeah.
na
Musicality.
nahihimay yung music. Hindi ako ganun eh. Medyo technique moves ako eh.
Yeah.
So, ayun, parang na-realize ko, nga, iba-iba naman yung mind ng tao. So, I cannot
Yeah.
just say na, just do this. Parang
Yeah.
hindi siya effective for them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Amazing.
So, ayun.
Nakakatuwa. So, question lang. Parang for example, how or when do you usually plan? Is it weekly, monthly, or like quarterly?
Paano ba?
Meron ka bang like, or it just like clicks na parang, okay, this is what I'm gonna do.
Minsan nag-click siya, pero minsan, parang year-end resolution. Parang pero hindi siya ganun na ka-detail na year-end resolution.
Yeah.
Parang gino-goal ka lang sa sarili ko, at the end of the year, dapat may something different ka. Or nag-upgrade ka, kahit konti man lang, from last year.
Yeah.
So, example, sa moves ko, ano ba yung ginagawa ko
Last
gagawin
year.
ko dapat ngayon, hindi ko nagawa last year. So, yun yung tinitrain ko. Kasi hindi naman talaga siya makukuha at one time lang eh.
That's true.
You have to train for it for a long time. So, ayun. And then sa work, at the same time, kasi dapat may something akong alam na hindi ko alam before.
Yeah.
Kasi ate, ang hirap ngayon maging competitive sa industry.
Yeah.
Sobrang, like, in terms of, buti na lang talaga na-introduce ako sa systems and everything. Because that's something na kailangan mag-level up lahat ng tao. Like, you have to be more knowledgeable about digitalization and everything else, ganyan. So, yan yung nilalearn ko din para at least at the end of the year, okay na naman. So, next year, ba na naman yung goals ko? Parang ganyan.
I love
So,
it.
it's, 1% improvement every day is still an improvement. So, it's okay.
Yeah, that's true. It's a constant, because little progress is progress.
Yes, exactly.
More than staying, kesa maging tayo.
Stagnant lang.
It's better to move
Mm-hmm.
and just keep on doing what you're doing and enjoy the process while you're doing it.
Yes. And also, ate, ito yung na-realize ko lang during the pandemic most especially, na like resting is also progress.
Yeah.
Yes. Kasi creative block talaga lahat in anything sa work and sa dance. Parang nagba-block ka talaga. Tas ayun, parang when you rest, then the next day, ang dami na ideas. Dire-diretso na, my God.
Yeah,
fun.
that's true. Part siya, kasi kailangan natin ng reset. We have to like breathe and like really like process
everything.
Process
breakdown
everything
na.
as a processor.
Nag-CPU po tayo.
Ganyan. Pero totoo. Kasi we're only human. I mean, we're humans. Tao po tayo. Kailangan natin huminga. We need to feel. We have to take good care of ourselves.
Yeah.
And we have our own pace. Iba-iba tayo ng pace. And I feel like it's also very important not to compare ourselves to others.
Yes, exactly.
Kasi diba iba-iba how you are, how I am, how you are. Iba-iba how we do things. So it's important that we find our way to improve. Diba?
With our own timings lang.
Yeah.
Yes.
So just be patient about yourself.
Yes,
with what you're
exactly.
doing. And diba? And you'll get there. Don't compare your journey. Kasi meron ako nakitang ganun eh. Share ko lang, no? Kasi pero syempre, diba? Don't compare your day 1 to their day 100. Parang ganyan.
Yes.
Diba? Kasi hindi mo alam kung anong day na niyan. So just keep working on yourself. And like enjoy the journey.
You're unique.
Be patient.
Yes,
diba?
Compare na yan. Hindi nakakatulong yan.
True. Pero syempre, we can't help but see how Casey is representing her style. Sa Red Bull pa lang, every year, hello girl, let's do this. I love it. I love that energy na parang, especially that feminine energy, girl. Iba. Ikaw, tama, diba? Ikaw lang yung laging nakikitang female representative woman sa walking. Or ako lang. Yung nakikita
Well, we have, Well, si Yani nag-walking din si Yani and B-Girl.
Yeah.
Yan. Tapos, ano pa ba? May mga bago din ngayon ng mga girls na very promising. It's like, you have to watch out for that. Marami pong
marami pong minamother si
Ay, naku.
Abangan nyo na sila.
Bida-bida po sila lahat. I'm so excited.
Proud talaga how you carry that feminine energy on stage and in heels every time. And of course, I will never forget your performance sa The Gallery. Girl, that piece.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh, that piece was mind-blowing. I
Aw.
mean, parang crazy. As in,
Oo.
parang, girl, likod pa lang ni Casey, sumasayaw na. As in, like, sheesh!
Naka-backless kami.
Yes! Grabe, kung hindi nyo napanood yun, sorry. Charot. Pero like, girl, how long did you, what was the process? What was the creative process behind that piece?
Ang how long na part ate, mga one week lang siguro namin binuo. Pero like, paano ba? Kaya ako kinuha si Ingwi because he's one of those na parang very promising dancers. Ang gusto kong makita ng lahat. In terms of musicality, dun kami, parang very different kami na dancers. And I want to show everyone na whacking can be different. Hindi lang siya one style.
Yeah.
Ganyan. Kasi hindi naman yung ipinupush ko sa sarili ko na parang, bakit ko sila gagayahin? Hindi ko kaya yun eh. May kanyang style ako eh. So, kayo mag-adjust sa akin. Parang ganun. Anyways. Pero yan. Tapos, ayun, siya yung kinuha ko for them to see. Para ma-display namin yung different ways of doing whacking. For the song, na-inspire din ako kay Ingwi nun for, in terms of musicality, tapos mahilig siya sa ganun, instrumental. So, I was looking for songs na, ay, parang gusto ko ng something instrumental. Tas narinig ko siya nung nag-Taiwan kami with Akuma. Tas, ito yung song na hinahanap ko kasi ang dami niyang layers. Tas, just listening to it, you can already like tell a story.
Yeah.
Wala
Feel
siyang
it.
lyrics. You can feel it na eh. Tapos, ang dami-dami niyang play around it. So, parang, ay, this is it. Tapos, during the process of like creating the whole thing, I'm just very, privileged na si Ingwi din, very patient sa akin. Kasi first time ko yun ate mag-create ng piece na gano'n, na very, very free lang and whatever. Kasi I was scared na baka hindi nila ma-appreciate. Yung sinabi ko last time na, baka hindi nila ma-appreciate na dance sports kasi parang, for me siguro medyo nabobore ba ako? Or, like ko siyang ginagawa. So, feeling ko, ganun yung mind ng iba towards the style. Pero, yan, I didn't expect na ganun yung acceptance nila dun sa ginawa namin. Tapos yeah, it's musicalities, like mixing, whacking, and tao dito, and dance sports, the technique of it. Good thing si Ingvi, marunong siya mag-lift. Okay siya sa partnering kasi ang bilis lang i-teach, parang konting tweak na lang and stuff. So yun. Tapos grabe explore talaga ng how, whenever we hear the sound, how do we feel about it?
Yeah.
So, ayun, yun in-interpret namin. Tapos after that, pinaka-last na lang na part yung, sige, anong gusto nating message? Charot. Kasi parang, based lang kami sa music eh. Kasi nag-iiba-iba siya from time to time. Naggalit siya, very sensual siya, tapos ganyan.
Yeah.
So, ayun.
Ganda. Sobrang ganda
First
ng
time
piece.
ko lang yun na ganun.
Even the lighting,
Ate. Props po sa
Grabe.
papa ko and sa kapatid ko na nagla-light director, something sa theater and events kasi. So, medyo, I wanna do that.
From them as well.
Yes.
I
For
love
watching
it.
and listening. Thank you so much.
Ang ganda.
Yeah.
Ang ganda rin that you're surrounded with creative, growing up
Super.
with your family
Mhm.
na creative din sila. And
Super
you learn from
creative.
them. I know.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Sorry na lang po. Hiya na sa kanya kasi yun eh. Wala na tayo magagawa. Ganun talaga.
Ganun po talaga sila.
Yeah.
Bida-bida din po yung family ko.
Pero girl, the discipline is there. I mean, you won't be where you are now if you
Mhm.
stop.
Exactly. Yes.
Diba? If you didn't want to explore a different kind of movement,
Yeah.
it's like constantly telling yourself na, I wanna be
That.
this.
Oo.
I want more for myself. I wanna learn. And I really wanna, ang ganda ng expression and breathtaking.
Ah,
Ang ganda ng piyesa na yun. As in,
Yeah.
I
Nasa IG
really,
ko po
I
ata
was
siya.
mesmerized by it. So, panoorin nyo, guys. As in,
Mhm.
ang ganda. So, siguro sabihin
Thank
natin, Kiss, isa pa.
Ah!
Showcase natin.
Uy, nag-choreo cup din namin yun. Tinry namin siya sa choreo cup. First time ko din yun sa choreo cup, ate. Oh my God. Wala
I
lang.
love it.
Kinakabahan ako. Nanghirap pala dun.
Oo, kasi ang dami.
Ang dami
diba?
nila. Oo.
Yeah, nakakatuwa. And now, girl, alam niyo naman that she is now the mother
Huhu.
of I Have Philippines. Diba, parang last year,
Last year, Halloween. November.
Yeah.
November, October.
You were deemed last year as
Oo
the
nga
mother.
eh.
Oh, andun ako! Andun ako! Oh my gosh! Witnessing
God, nahiya
that,
ako
seeing
nun.
that, like, girl,
Umiya ako nun kasi
well
guilty of
deserved.
exercise.
well deserved, te. I mean, how
Aw,
was the
thank you.
feeling nung parang sinabi ni Christian na parang, girl, presenting.
Oh,
Would like to announce the mother
Diyos
of
ko,
the
Lord.
hasla in the Philippines.
paano ba? It's mixed eh. Parang,
Mm.
I'm so privileged to be like,
Mhm.
deemed as one. Pero, kinakabahan din ako, like,
Mm.
parang ang lawak kasi ng community and everything. Tapos, like, all the work that I did is like, for the love talaga siya.
Mhm.
Like, gusto ko talaga gawin to, like, for
Mhm.
myself, and like, I want to share it with everyone para mas madami. Kasi,
Mhm.
kami kasi extrovert nga ako, gusto ko nang kasama, ganyan. So, ayun, tapos biglang, tapos, nag-usap kami after ni Kuya Christian, parang, the responsibility and everything, I believe it will still be the same. Kasi the fire is there.
Mhm.
And it's just like continuously doing it. Ganyan.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a pleasure to be one.
Yes! To be
Grabe.
crowned.
Oo.
Mabigat na ba, sis? Ang dami mo na corona
Oo
patong-patong.
nga. Grabe, nakaka-pressure siya kasi ang daming, well, yung mga bagong whackers nga din.
Mhm.
But, well, sila din yung nagbo-boost ng energy ko eh. Na
That's
parang,
true.
ay, mas madami. So, ang dami-dami ng
Yeah.
whackers ngayon.
Yeah,
Ang-
that's true.
pati mga probinsya, nag-grow na din. So, parang, let's do this. Parang,
Yeah.
sa next events, hindi lang, kasi usually, isa lang na whacker or like, totally wala. Like, sayang eh. Kasi nahihiya din yung iba na ipakita yung style na ganun. Kasi wala masyadong gumagawa ng style.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's a bit of pressure.
True.
And I have to make sure na I am mabait and everything else. Ayun.
Yeah. like always humble.
Humble always.
But at
yeah.
the same time, the responsibility is crazy.
Yes.
Kasi you
Diba?
have to be like, girl.
Ate.
And at the same time, girl, carry naman eh. You deserve to be the mother of your chapter here in the Philippines. Kasi,
Thank
girl, even from afar, you're carrying the style.
Mhm.
You are like representing and you're
Mm-mm-mm.
showing like the technique, you're showing the
Mm-mm.
presence, and you emulate. I know.
Taray naman to.
Emily!
Black fashion.
Parang si Christian lang. Ay, parang
Influence.
talagang naano mo siya eh. Talagang kitang-kita the energy. As in, you really own the style. So, girl,
Mhm.
well-deserved. And I think it's also because of you, your energy, kaya rin dumadami yung whackers in different communities. Kasi di ba na parang nakikita lang, pwede pala yun, kaya pala.
Ayun nga, ate.
Diba? That's one thing. Kaya nag-trickle eh. Kaya talagang nag-expand
Oo.
the community because they see
Na
the
pwede
excellent performance you always showcase
Mhm.
either in battles, in performance, in different pieces.
Mhm.
You carry the style. Kaya parang,
Yeah.
girl, you deserve it. Ganyan.
Oo, kasi laging sinasabi, well, Ibuki is the pinakasikat na whacker ever
Yeah.
since, diba?
Mm.
So they thought na whacking is just like how
she does it. Yeah.
Pero it's not eh. It's like, yun na, expression talaga siya ng art mo,
Yeah.
ng understanding mo of the style, understanding
Yeah.
mo of the music, of your
Mm.
current feelings, expressing it out.
Mm.
So, ayun, I guess that's one thing na kaya sila mas lumalabas. Kasi when they understood na, pwede pala ganun eh. Pwede
Yeah.
pala ako different eh.
Yeah.
So, ayun.
Pwede pala na parang, I just embrace who I am.
Oo.
And like, show. Kasi nga, di ba, na ano mo nga yung dance sport and walking.
Oo, kaya siya. Kaya sinasabi ko sa
Sige,
kanya,
girl.
try niyo yung styles niyo, tapos
Yeah.
i-mix niyo sa walking.
Yeah.
Gamitin niyo yun, mga B.
True.
It's your edge.
Yeah.
Yun.
I love
Yun po.
it. Girl, simple lang naman. Simple lang naman siya. Siyempre, hindi natin makakalimutan yung moment sa Red Bull, di ba? Yung isang moment dun, yung biglang may lumuhod.
Ay!
Yung ganon.
Opo, kabida-bida kasi sa Red Bull pa ginawa.
Manalo siya palagi panalo sa akin. Christine Velez, will you marry me?
Ayun yung feeling na parang after mo bumattle-battle dun, bigla na lang may pang,
Oti, grabe yun. Hindi ko kasi talaga in-expect.
yeah.
Ayun, akala ko wala pa siyang plano. Tapos my mind was very stuck with like, I have to train for Red Bull. I have to like give a good performance. Kasi maraming nanonood ganyan. And maraming nanonood. Yung mga B-boys and everyone else there. Akala ko, nanonood sila for me. Kaya pala sila nandun. Complete attendance ang Manila Soul tsaka OS Flavor. Complete
I love
attendance
it.
po sila, opo. Kasi, isusupport nila si Dudut. Hindi pala ako yun.
Dalawa yun, syempre, diba?
Kaya ang fun nung moment na yun. Hindi ko talaga in-expect na gagawin niya. Medyo in-expect ko ate na papasok siya.
Mhm.
And, or he does his thing.
Mhm.
Pero hindi ko expect na kinuha niya yung mic. Parang,
Ay, ano nangyari?
Ay,
Pause ka po.
huy! Ba't ka kakantabi? So, ayun. It's
Oh
a
my
very
gosh.
nice thing to, like,
Yeah.
tawag dito, unexpected for him to do that kasi he's
Mhm.
not like that eh. Parang,
Mhm.
ayaw niya ng mga drama moments.
Mhm.
Pero yeah, good job.
So, kilig moment.
Kilig moment
Kilig
it is.
moment.
Oo.
And after a year, we're
Yes
here.
po, opo. Kakasal na po.
Oh my
My God.
gosh. Girl.
Ano daw?
I love
Ayun.
it. So ngayon, ang daming binabalance. Wedding preparation, dance, because
Nakakaloka
you're also
siya.
constantly teaching right now at Nude Floor
Nude
every
Floor.
one day. So para, girl, like the multitasking is multitasking.
Yes.
Diba?
I just need to set time for everything.
I
Yun
love it. It's all
talaga.
about time management.
Time management talaga siya.
Excited ka na sa wedding niya?
Oo. Excited kami po, Marty.
I love it.
Excited talaga kami po,
Oh my
Marty.
gosh. I'm excited for you and I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
This is like the next chapter of your lives
Exactly.
together. Oh
Grabe,
my
no?
gosh.
Ang bilis.
Magulat na lang tayo pag na-fuse na po ni Casey ang b-boy at walking.
What if?
Type po tayo dyan. Wala na talaga.
Napapagalitan ako ni Dudut, bakit hindi ako nagtitrain? Tapos lagi,
Diba?
lagi kong sinasabi sa kanya, ay gusto ko mag-learn. Hindi ka naman nagtitraining. Kaya ang hirap eh. Walking na muna ako.
You're like, diba? Like, girl, yung power ng babae talaga, diba? Being able to multitask. And like, the fact that parang, girl, being soon to be wife.
oh
And
my
like,
God.
girl. And sure, for sure, in the future, like balancing all that, you have to be really smart about your time. And like, especially if you have like, extreme or high goals in life as a
Oo.
woman, na parang, diba, that constant fight that you have to be like, hindi naman perfect, pero you want to
You're
give your
growing.
best. Diba? In everything you do, whether it's in work, in your creative passion, and of course, sa family.
Di siya
Iba
half-baked.
yun.
Never maging
Yeah.
half-baked. Yeah.
Yeah, and having that kind of mindset then, I feel like dahil na-surround ka ng powerful people.
Yeah, I believe. Yun
Diba?
yun ate. Sobrang
ganun.
strong ng influence nila.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Ang galing. Galing mo.
Uy,
Nakaka-excite, girl.
Thank you po.
Nakaka-excite to see more of you.
Ah, thank
Diba?
you. I
Kumusta-
will.
Kumusta naman ang iHow?
iHow is, we are having more events right now. We are
Mhm,
planning
mhm,
for more stuff.
Yes.
It's a good thing na everyone is out there and
Yes.
representing. Of course, adulting kami lahat.
Yeah.
So,
Kailangan
more on
siya.
adulting
sa life.
talaga kami lahat. Doon kami medyo nahihirapan sa time namin together.
Mm-mm.
But like, we really find ways to like, do
Mhm.
something for the community. And like, of course, improve ourselves din ng kanya-kanya.
Yeah. And sunod-sunod, like, at least lahat na kayo, like, you're creating events individually, not just in
Yes.
Manila, but
And-
we're seeing events outside Manila. Like, recently, you had an event.
CDO,
Yeah.
sa Cebu din.
Cebu. Yeah.
Yes,
So, it's really, like,
nakakatuwa.
expanding.
Yes.
I love it.
Pero at least hindi lang dito centralize. Kasi
Yeah.
like, others would want to come in and join, but they have no money. Parang
Yeah.
ganyan. Laging
Yeah.
pera ang problem eh.
Mm.
Eh, what if kami na lang yung pumunta dyan?
Yeah.
Makakagala pa kami.
Yeah. That's true.
Tapos more people pa.
Mm.
Mas
And they can
nakakatuwa.
expand the community more.
Mm.
Diba?
Kaya
Sharing
medyo
the love.
Kaya medyo hesitant yung iba kasi hindi sila sure if okay yun sa kanila. Parang may ganong part eh. Kaya hindi sila napupush further with, example, the style or anything, or like joining battles here or events here. So parang when you go there and let them see na this is what we do, this is hacking, this is ganyan. Mas like, sige, explore ko nga yan. Kasi
Yeah.
nakita ko na upfront na ganito pala siya.
Yeah, mas may understanding.
Mas may understanding sila.
Yeah,
So,
that's true.
yun.
There's so much talent all across the Philippines.
Oo, ate.
Diba?
Grabe.
Like, parang kung before, I mean, it's time. Now is the time na tayo po yung dumayo. Kasi, like,
Yes.
bilang hinog na yung community here in the metro. The metro.
The Metro.
Ba yan? Christian?
We got it
Ikaw kasi.
all.
Like, alam mo yun? Parang, give back to the community, expand. Kasi hello, archipelago, for sure there are
Sobra.
so many artists all across the
Mhm.
Philippines na parang hungry.
Oo, yes, ate. And like, as a probinsyana, I feel them eh.
Yeah.
Like, scared, well, personally, scared talaga na lumabas dyan. Kasi parang baka mali yung gagawin namin, whatever. Pero hindi pala siya ganun. Like, you just have to go there and present yourself and that's it. Diba? Pag sobrang confident ka na, it's a good representation of yourself na and that makes you good in that style. Yung ganyan.
Yeah.
So, yung breaking that wall, yun lang yung kailangan gawin para mas mag-grow pa.
Yeah.
So, yun.
And you're doing it, girl.
Yay! Thank
you are
you
like
po.
the medium.
Oo nga Pagala-gala lang
At
Ang
dahil
sarap din
dyan-
ng food na kasi.
Ay, so true.
Food trip
diba?
talaga yung after. Tsaka, ayun, gala.
I love
Oo.
work. O, diba? Grabe. Paano po yun nababalance lahat? Kaya, siya na yung may kaya nun.
May Saturday,
Girl,
Sunday.
Diba?
After work po,
Oo.
may ilang oras pa yan, di ba?
So true. Ano yung
Ayun.
kapagod after work, biyahe, punta sa ganito, tapos parang turo, event, biyahe ulit dito.
Akala nga po na ibang tao, wala ako work. Working po ako, guys. Hindi ko
Oo.
mababayaran yan lahat. Like,
yeah.
I work for my dance too. Like, I want to
Mm.
dance more, I want to travel and
Yeah.
stuff. So,
Yeah.
I have to earn. Yun.
Yeah. Yeah. And that's something na parang feeling natin, I feel like that's another side sa dance artist na hindi nakikita. Na parang, pwede siya na parang, kung ano yung nag-work nga sa'yo.
Mhm.
If it works for you to have that two kind of life,
Mhm.
balance it out and make it work for you.
Yes.
Kasi girl, sa totoo lang, lalo na if you are leading a community, girl, you have to make sure that you have it all. Charot. Ayun, yung parang you have the capacity.
Oo.
Kasi ikaw yung model of the community.
Mhm.
So you have to show them that you have to have that
The right mind, the right...
right mindset.
Oo.
You have to have that drive. Kasi kailangan mo i-fuel the growth of the community.
Mhm.
Diba?
Oo, mahirap pag hindi tayo strong
Yes.
as an individual.
Yes.
Hindi natin sila kakayanin kasi ang dami-dami
True.
nila.
True. Buti na lang, you're a strong woman.
Oo.
Yes.
Pero it's a good thing na okay din naman yung mga kids
Yeah.
ang tawag. No.
Yes, as a mother, they're your kids na.
Oo, at least
Diba?
naman very, sila, understanding din
Yeah.
pati. Like,
Yeah.
every time I say na, I cannot reply. I don't reply
Yeah.
every, like, this time,
Yeah.
ganyan. Siya, ay, hindi niya nag-reply si mother. O later pa na, ganyan.
Yeah, very
So,
respectful
yun, very
naman
respectful
of that.
naman.
Which is nice.
Yes.
Diba? Dahil dyan, mag-ano tayo ng iHow. Medyo, anuhin natin sila. Tsaka-
Ay, i-roast
Ito-
ba? Ay, my God.
Hindi, onti lang. Yung mga unting kilala ko lang. Wait lang, kasi baka may makulang. O, sige. For fun. Ito,
Oo.
for fun.
Oh my God.
Lagi ko itong ginagawa. One word for each member.
Sige.
One word for each member. Sige. Fast talk ha, fast talk. Kung ano man yung maisip mo, pwede
Sige,
ka balastugan, pwede ka
Ay, hindi ako
bilang yung
marunong.
father nyo, bilang si father. O, sige. We'll see. Okay, sige. First, Blaze.
Demure.
Ay, demure. Ay,
So true.
isa rin to si Blaze, no? Pag sa battle.
Grabe.
Blaze talaga.
Oo,
Grabe, no?
yung music talaga, sabi niya hindi niya alam yung music, pero alam niyang gawin sa katawan niya.
Yeah.
So when I asked her, chinika ko talaga si Blaze, when I asked her if like, paano niya ginawa yun, paano niya tinitrain yung musicality niya,
Mhm.
it's just natural daw. Like, ever since bata pa siya tinitrain, I mean, she listens to music always. Kaya, naging natural na nadadissect niya yung music.
Ay,
It's talagang
that's
grabe
skill.
natural. Yes,
That's
grabe.
like- oh my gosh.
Sobrang, hay naku. Kaya niyang himay-himayin yun ng todo, tapos iba-ibang parts ng body gagalaw. Tapos magpa-floor pa yan. Tapos
Oo nga, true. Tapos ang tangkad niya pa.
ang tangkad
Kaya
pa niya,
oh my
kitang-kita.
gosh. Yeah.
Nagalit. Ang galing
Ikaw
kasi.
Na, ikaw na, Blaze.
Ang galing kasi, nakakainis. Ayun na.
Nakakainis na pala yung word ko.
Oo.
Sorry.
Hindi, demure.
Demure.
Pretty.
Ay, demure.
Very cutesy.
Okay, sige. Next, Chow.
Ciao, paano ba? Ang dami. Ano ba? Wait lang. Di siya, paano ba? Bubbly. Bubbly is like super light lang to describe him eh. Parang mas siya, di siya wild eh. It's between bubbly and wild. That level of energy.
Wibly.
Lively! That, parang siya yung namin, Siya yung sunshine namin sa group. Siya yung sobrang maingay na parang well-balanced. Ganyan din.
Okay,
And like,
okay.
yeah. He adds fun talaga sa
Wibly.
group. Wibly. Nako.
May tayo word.
That's the word for today. Chow is wibly.
Wibly.
Sorry.
I love it. Okay, sige. Next, Leo.
Leo, paano ba? Very logical. Wow, ganun talaga.
Wow.
Very ano mo, no?
Very
Yeah.
smart.
Very smart.
Mm.
Yes. And kita mo, every time you talk to him, it's basta
Malalim.
maayos, malalim. Like, ganda niya kausap.
Mm. I love that.
Yeah.
Okay, next, Yani.
Yani, twin. Paano ba? One word. Twin. Adjective ba? Ano ba?
Nia.
Ano ba? Ano? Energy. Hindi na ubus yung energy ni Yani. Grabe.
Oh my gosh. O kasi, syempre, di ba, nag-bigger
As a big-girl, yung cardio niya,
parang
end-to-end.
yung energy niya, parang...
As in, siya yung nagla-last long sa lahat ng bagay.
Oh my
Kami
God.
lahat nakaupo na, siya sumasayaw pa din siya dyan.
Kaya gano'n na lang.
Oo. And full on energy pa din.
Saya.
Grabe.
Lakas.
Lakas. Oo.
Okay, wait lang. Sino pa ba? O di, may na-miss ba ako? Sino pa ba?
Curves.
Ay, yeah. O nga, Curves.
Macho, of course. Kapatid ko yan.
Macho. Yummy.
Oo.
Tsaka ako gumawa ng word. Macho.
Oo.
Siyempre.
Ano yan eh, bida-bida din yan eh. At least it's good to see him like flourish in both styles sa ballroom and sa walking.
And as a DJ.
And as a DJ, grabe. B, ang dami na niyang ginagawa ngayon.
Yes.
It's a good thing.
Multitasker din.
Multitasker
And
din siya.
syempre,
Ay.
sino pa? Tama ba?
Si
Meron pa ba?
Mickey.
Ay, shucks. O nga pala. Mickey.
Si Mickey.
Ito, pogi to eh.
Adulting.
Pogi yung word.
Oh, pogi is the word.
Oh my gosh.
Oo.
Ayan, yeah, Mickey.
Ano, paano ba? Like, international, of course. Yan na siguro
that's
yung
true. International.
best
Like, girl.
explanation.
Sorry, and as a graphic artist,
sobrang
yan
yan din
thrive.
eh.
Girl.
Both dance and then like sa
Yeah.
job niya.
Yeah.
Sobrang dami niyong
Whoosh.
clients.
Yeah.
Like, not just in the Philippines, but also
Yeah.
outside.
Grabe.
And may the Hive Bar po siya. Yan, punta po kayo sa Baguio. Bisitahin niyo siya. Ganun.
Ganun.
Free
Hive
plug po
bar.
to.
Ayan, punta tayo Hive Bar. Dahil dyan, yung next drink namin galing sa Hive
Hive Bar.
Charot.
Ano yun? Anta dito.
Gulat
Ano
siya.
yun?
Hoy! Nangyari.
May sponsorship po kami ngayon. Thank you.
Thank you, Mickey. Charot. And
Yeah,
syempre, meron pa ba? Meron pa?
Si Poy.
Ay, shucks. Oo nga, kasi from the UK.
Yes. Poy is all... Paano ba?
And I'm seeing him active recently, no?
I'm so happy. Sobrang galing. Sobrang galing. Tapos na-appreciate din siya ng mga tao doon.
Yeah.
Kaya natutuwa kami na, ayun, nag-continue talaga
He's
siya.
representing.
Kasi mahihain kasi talaga yun sobra. Tapos parang ang dami niyang, ayun. Pero kayang-kaya niya kasi. Tapos yung stance niya,
Yeah.
yung lahat, very natural, parang naturally lumalabas lahat nung tinitrain niya before.
Yeah.
Tapos yung one battle na napanood namin sa kanya, like, he still got it.
Tsaka very quiet siya, no? Pero yung movement niya, no? Parang,
Oo,
Diba?
sobrang strong. Sobrang strong talaga. May nakalimutan pa ba ako? Si Reggie. From Davao to.
ang dami pala. Sorry,
Medyo kailangan ko i-open yung GC namin.
Open yung account. Ayan, oo nga, si Reggie, nakita ko may collab
Si
class. Tama ba? Siya ba yung may, or
May class siya, tapos nag-join ako. Sa CDO yun.
O, diba
kasi
stalker
Davao.
ako doon?
Hindi kitaan kami ng mga profiles
Oo.
namin eh.
Diba?
Oo.
Si Reggie, how do you describe him?
Paano ba? Leader. Kasi din siya, pinupush niya talaga yung community dun sa Davao.
Sa Davao.
Like, the fact na walang masyadong tawag dito, siya lang kasi talaga yung nag-push. So, yun yung na-appreciate talaga din namin sa kanya na, kayang-kaya niya.
Yeah.
Hindi
Tsaka
kailangan
lagi
ng
rin siya
ibang people.
pumupunta dito, diba?
Yes. Gusto niya talaga yung style.
The commitment.
Na commitment. Tapos nagtitrain siya ng madaming kids dun. So,
Yeah.
marami ng whackers dun sa Davao and like neighboring cities.
I love.
Kaya nakakatuwa.
Okay.
Wait lang, check ko lang ate.
Sino pa ba? Sorry naman po sa nakalimutan. Hindi ko po kabisado lang.
Si Ate Kat.
Ayan,
si Ate Kat nasa...
Girl, international! Your
Yes.
chapter's international.
Oo nga,
Like,
may mga representation
kung
kami sa
saan-saan.
kanya-kanyang
Oo yan,
places.
si Kitty Kat Kat.
Si Ate Kat.
Oh my
Ang pretty mo,
gosh.
ate. Kakainis ka.
Sana all.
Ang pretty
God,
mo.
I miss you.
Sobrang strong din yun na
Yeah.
performer.
Yeah.
Tayo pa lang niyo, wala na intimidate ko.
So
no?
true. Mm-hmm.
Yan.
Yes.
In the
Mga
goals.
small but terrible. Oh my gosh, oh nga, no? I just realized, no?
May height requirement po ata
The
sa goals
women
sa
in
idol.
Idaho,
eh.
no? Parang, strong, small but terrible. They're like crazy.
May height requirement po kami.
Oo.
Mga guys lang yung matatangkad.
I love it.
Sino Christian? Ano ba to?
Eh, syempre, ikaw na, ang tatay Christian.
Ano? Bastos, charot.
Wala na, hindi wala. Wala na ako. Yun na yun talaga.
True kasi, ayaw tumigil nun. Pero yun yun na. Oh, wow, babaliin natin. Yung unapologetic kasi talaga. So, ayan.
Yeah.
Parang continuously representing himself in anything. Sa work pa yan, o bida-bida siya. Pigag, yun, ambassador yun. Oh.
True.
So, ayun, parang very unapologetic. Like, that's the kind of spirit that we need para mag-proceed sa life.
Yeah, that's true. At saka dun ka rin naman na-inspire in the first
Yes.
place, diba? His personality, him embracing himself, being very apologetic.
Sorry.
Being
Ulan
very
na kami.
unapologetic. Diba? I love it. We miss you, Christian.
Oh, diba? Complete attendance
Aphrodite,
yun.
ganyan.
Oh,
Ayan.
Uy, mag-Korea siya.
I love
Sa
it.
October.
Ayan na. Let's go. At saka very, no, you can see the diversity in your house. Kaya ganyan rin kayo ngayon. Like, everyone, like, yung mga iba, nagbabalance ng work kasi si Poy doon.
Yes.
Sa UK is balancing work.
Halos
and
lahat eh.
dance,
Working
Nikki
eh.
and dance. So, yeah, it's okay. You can excel in both as long as you love what you're doing.
Yes.
Both parts of your life.
Oh,
Diba?
As long as you make time for it.
As long as you make time for it.
Ayun,
Perfect.
sinasabi diba na pag gusto, may paraan. Pag ayaw, maraming dahilan.
Mhm.
So yeah, fine.
Yeah.
Make time.
Make time. No excuses. So, at saka yung kalaban mo lang rin talaga yung sarili mo. Diba?
Yes, ate. The imposter syndrome is not stopping.
yeah.
My God, it's so hard.
Yeah.
Kasi naalala ko to, chika ko tuloy. Kasi na regular one-to-one feedback kami ng mga boss namin sa work.
Mhm.
So, yung feedback ng boss ko sa akin sa work, kasi ang baba daw ng scores ko sa evaluation ko.
Mhm.
Sabi niya, you look so parang you always, tawag dito, parang look down on yourself. Parang, you're good at it, ganyan-ganyan. Sabi niya na, ganun kayo dito, no? Ganyan na sobrang, parang very, imposter syndrome na and stuff. Sabi niya, sobrang confident mo sa dance, pero bakit ganito ka so? Sabi ko, hindi ako ganyan sa dance. Sobrang baba din ang tingin ko sa dance. Parang feeling ko lahat ng panalo chamba.
Talaga
Ganun
ba?
siya. Yes, ate. As in.
Oh my God.
Kaya sobrang critical. Pero yun yung tawag to, tinitrain ko din sa mind ko. I have to appreciate what I did.
Yeah.
Comparing it from the last time na,
Yeah.
nag-improve ka naman dito.
Yeah.
Like, not all the time is, your time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But this is
Yun.
what I'm gonna tell you, girl. You're
Yes.
carrying the crown. And, like, girl, you're carrying your community
Mm-mm.
together with your chapter, IHOW.
Woohoo.
So, girl,
Yeah.
embrace it. Like, it's about
Embrace
time
myself.
for you to, like, own it. I mean,
Mm.
kasi, there's no denying talaga. You're one
Mm-mm.
of the strongest battlers here in the country and even
Ah.
outside. Like, kasi di ba nag-represent na rin kayo outside several times.
Yeah.
And like, wag mo na siyang,
Sige, just brush it off.
like, yeah.
Yeah.
And just, ay nako, sasabog talaga, sis.
Noted.
As in,
Noted
sasabog.
with thanks
Kasi,
po.
girl, you are where you are because you've worked hard for it.
Yeah, exactly.
Diba? And, sis, just continue to blossom.
Noted.
And noted with thanks.
Noted with thanks.
Best regards.
Working mode pa eh.
Ganyan.
Mm.
Pero, diba? Pero, what you're doing is also really, yun nga, yung sabi ko kanina, it's not easy. Kasi it takes like a lot of discipline. It takes a lot of heart and passion in what you do.
Yeah.
And diba, being a woman, it has to be very extra eh.
Mm-hmm.
Diba? Especially in the community where you're at, you have to like really show a certain presence, a certain power. Especially now that you're a mother. Diba?
Yeah,
So, girl.
Nakaka-pressure.
Girl.
Yung sinabi na mother, tas ini-invite sa mga staff, wait lang, kailangan kong maghanda pala.
Yeah.
Make up po tayo mga kaibigan. Ayusin natin yung hair natin.
Right, yeah. And nakaka-proud to see you where you are now.
Yay, thank
and like
you.
just seeing where you've been going
Mhm.
and you've been traveling to, and like really inspiring next generation backers.
Mhm.
And seeing you
Yeah.
improve every day. Kasi di ba meron ka ng everyday challenge. Sabi ko, ay,
Tumigil na po ako dun kasi parang nung nag-start na mag-prep for the wedding, parang wait lang,
Yan na.
hindi ko na kaya.
Diba? The right balance eh. So,
Oo.
parang okay, right balance and prioritizing din.
Mm-mm.
Pero syempre, there's always time for everything.
Yes, yeah.
Diba?
Babalik ko yun next year, guys.
Ayan
Push
na.
natin to.
Abangan po natin.
Oo.
Syempre, abangan natin yung wedding. Ah! Ayan na. Are you ready to walk
Na-stress.
down the aisle?
Oh,
Word!
dapat yung
Yes.
walk namin, yung bongga pa din.
Oo, yung parang ano.
Po-perform ko pa.
Papatal pala kayo.
Ay, watch out! Yun
We're
yung inaab.
excited. Oh my God.
Mabattle po tayo dyan, mga
Girl,
friends.
Ayan.
Hindi mawala ang battle din natin.
Oh my gosh. Girl. Ay, whew. Di ako makahinga, girl. Grabe. I'm just really excited for you and the journey moving forward as a mother and as a wife.
Ay, just the Lord.
Aray.
Uy, ano ba
I'm
yan?
excited to the next KC version, ang dami ng version.
Ang dami ng version ko.
I'm
Opo.
sure.
Final na this.
Sobrang
Charot lang.
nag-evolve na siya and continuously evolving with her mindset of like that continuous training every day. She's gonna conquer the world. Diba?
Huminga na lang eh.
Huminga na lang. Pero like, girl,
Every other day training.
sobrang
guys.
nakaka-inspire everything that you do. Just keep on doing it because I know there's someone out there na wanting to learn the style that you're doing and
Yeah.
with what you post on social media. I'm sure they would want to meet you and learn from you
Oh,
and
ano,
like
katuwa.
really be around your presence. Like just your presence is already something that will for sure give additional fire for them to grow and
Yeah.
be a dance artist or a performer na gusto nila.
Oo
Diba?
nga eh. Yun
Through-
nakakatuwa yung mga ganyan. Na parang,
Yeah.
sigaw na lang din ako. Kasi parang ako yung ganyan before. Tapos,
yeah.
yun na-appreciate ko lang din sila. Kasi
Yeah.
I feeling ko that's something that makes me humble also. Like seeing
yeah. Yeah,
Hey.
that's true.
Oo.
That's true.
we started from there. Sigaw
yeah.
din tayo. Yan.
Yeah.
Ayan
And
yun.
constantly being grounded from where you came from and like really shooting up, like to stay rooted and like keep on like reaching for the sky.
Wow!
Arte!
Oh,
Diba?
natin in life.
Nakakatuwa.
eh.
That's true. And it's very important. Ako, na-inspire talaga ako in everything that you do. Constantly, what you post on social media, just go do it. Kasi that is also our way to like connect somehow with each other, especially now that we're all like
Yes.
doing our own things. And like, yeah, the power of social media is crazy. So,
Actually,
yeah.
parang feeling ko at first, it's like work, like posting. Kasi I have to like, have a content every time. Pero, it's practice talaga in anything eh. Practice talaga like what to post.
Yeah.
And like, hindi mo na iisipin kung ano isi-think nila about your post.
Yeah.
Like, baka i-judge nila ako, baka pangit yung ano ko, whatever.
Oh, well, you love you.
Siya, oo, ganun dapat po.
You love you and you have people who loves you. So,
Yeah.
isipin mo na lang ako na manood. Ako na lang isipin mo.
Sige
Kasi,
po.
girl, you are an inspiration, truly. Not just to the backing community, but also, I'm sure, to the women in the dance community. So, like, seeing you, how you perform,
Ay, may ganun, formal.
everything. So,
Ay,
yeah.
wow.
Excited to see your growth. Excited to see...
Physical. Sana, no? Kaya ako
Excited.
nagiging
Excited kami makita yung mga next plans, events of iHow. Excited to see you expand across the country. And yeah, yung mga nagdo-dream to be whackers and performers, watch out because of course, I'm sure she is gonna be where you are and she's gonna do her magic. Yes.
Yeah.
If you have any message to those who are like dreaming, yung mga kahit di mo pa nakikilala, I'm sure who's gonna hear you. What do you wanna say?
Ano ba? If you really want it, make time for it or like really find a way to get it. Yeah. Kasi like you may want it, pero like dreaming is not enough eh. You need to act on it eh. So yan, find ways to achieve it. There are lots of options right now. It's not face-to-face only. You can contact everyone else online. You can learn online. Ang dami-dami ng available venues to like learn stuff. Ano pa ba? And yeah, you need to be strong and you need to be firm kung ano talaga yung gusto nyong i-achieve. This applies in both life and in like dance or anything else. So yeah, you have to be sure kung anong gusto nyo. And it's okay not to be sure Parang at
Yeah.
least for that moment, alam mo na gusto ko to. Tas you can change anytime. Well, kanya-kanyang time nyo. Yun
Yeah.
yung sabi natin. So,
Yeah.
That's,
I love it. Just stay
Yeah.
true to yourself.
yes,
and
stay true.
everything.
Represent yourself. Ganun yan.
Yes. Aww.
Yeah, ang dami-dami ng bida-bidang whackers ngayon. Kasi, yeah, they continuously represented themselves. Kaya nakaka-happy.
At saka yung word na bida-bida it's not a bad thing
Yes,
It's a good thing. Kasi
it's a good
syempre,
thing.
Sino pa ba magbibida sa sarili mo kung di ikaw?
It's you,
Diba?
yes. May good
Diba?
thing din ang narcissism.
Have to carry yourself para parang girl, kailangan siya. You have to
Confidence.
feel it. Yes.
You can do anything without
Own it.
trusting yourself.
Ikaw lang yung ikaw lang you have to believe in yourself for others to believe in you as well.
Yes, tama.
Diba?
So
Work,
true.
Casey. Oh my gosh. Arte-arte. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, Casey.
Other sides na
Oh my
pinagsasabi
gosh.
ng ganun.
Ano ba, girl? You're a mother also in your community. So,
Hoy,
sis, we are
Hoy.
in the same level. So,
Uy!
girl, it's a different community, but it's the same mindset. What I'm doing, what you're doing.
Mm-mm.
Girl, I respect what you're doing, and I'm
Thank you so
inspired by
much.
what you are doing and how you represent yourself, how you carry yourself, girl. It's powerful.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much for that wonderful
naman.
word.
Oh, naman. Casey yan eh. Casey yan,
Wala
girl.
ko sarili.
So, yes.
Ano ba yan?
Diba? Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you also for
Thank you for-
inviting me. Thanks
Of
for the
course.
trust.
Oh, naman. Girl, diba?
Dami lang chikahan today. And thank you for the
Diba?
coffee and the
I love
croissant.
it. Yes. Thank you for being here.
Mm-mm.
Thank you for your time, your energy. Thank you for sharing your story. We appreciate it. And I'm sure whoever is
Yay.
watching, I'm sure they've learned from it. And I hope we were able to like give inspiration and fire something in you to make you like pursue whatever creative passion you have.
Yes.
Just go for it. Make time for it. And yeah, enjoy the process while you're doing it.
Yeah. Yes.
Diba?
Don't forget to enjoy. Minsan lang tayo mabuhay, guys.
Yes.
That's part of YOLO.
Yes. So yes. Don't forget to follow Casey on her social media accounts.
Yes.
She's constantly teaching, not just on Nude Floor. I see that you've also been teaching in different studios
Yes.
as well. Just
Oh,
follow
mga
her
pop-up,
socials. Ito, dito.
Ayan, dito.
Wow! Dito ba? Follow her socials. Don't forget. And don't forget to follow us as well. Like and subscribe. So yeah, that wraps up this episode. Nabulol pa ako eh. This wraps up this episode. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this time. See you again on our next episode.
Bye.
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 Ano